Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI avatar in Synthesia step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Synthesia website. Sign in to your account and open the main dashboard. From the dashboard, start a new video project and open the avatar section. Here you can browse through the available AI presenters and choose one that fits your content. Select an avatar based on the topic, audience, and style of your video. After choosing the presenter, add the script you want the avatar to speak. Next, select an AI voice and choose the language that matches your audience. Preview the available voice options and select one that sounds natural for your presentation. Now customize the avatar video by choosing a background and adding text, images, shapes, or other visual elements. You can also create multiple scenes to organize different parts of your content. Make sure the avatar is positioned correctly and that important text or graphics remain visible on the screen. Once your video is set up, preview the entire project. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, script, and overall visual appearance. If anything needs improvement, return to the editor and make the necessary changes. Preview the project again until everything looks correct. When you're satisfied with the result, generate the video and wait for Synthesia to finish processing it. After processing is complete, watch the final video from beginning to end and make sure the avatar presents your content clearly and professionally.